we're going to have all the matches held in Dhule from the 16th to 20th July. We have invited all. This is an under 20 tournament, and we have invited all the teams that are affiliated to GFA.
So, good morning everyone. Myself BPV Yugamurthy, and we founded the Goa Monsoon Football Premier League under the association with legendary Goa Football Association, Goa, and Vasudeva Kudumbakam Social Welfare Trust, and Maitya Organization and Indian Auto Export Solution. And this is the main objective of this Premier League, to encourage the youngsters to play football in the monsoon and collaborating with the tourism and culture. Goa means football, so every people from Goa having a touch with football. So we are first starting this association with Goa Football Association. First year we are conducting with the Goan clubs. Almost 16 clubs are registered with our almost 50 years old clubs are there. Very legendary clubs having a very good legacy. Next year we are planning with the national level. All the league will be happen only in Goa. And third year we are planning in international way, Monsoon Football Premier League. We are collaborating with two things, to encouraging the youngsters to play more football in monsoon also, and encouraging the tourism to people to visit and enjoy the monsoon climate. The paradise of the world in monsoon is Goa. In this case, we are having a more vision about climate change and sports and climate. People has to in this event, for every goal scored, we are planting 100 trees. It's a six-a-side match. 6 people will playing. This is an international format of six-a-side. Like IPL cricket, more goals will be. We are expecting more goals. Vibrant, speed, powerful game will be there. So any kind of goals are there. Any number of goals, we are planting 100 trees with the help of the school children and football players. Again, we are saying, we are campaigning, say no to drugs. Every sports person, they are never into any kind of notorious activities. The person who is not into the sports, any kind of sports, they are diverting their minds and they are diverting the things. So every person should be a sports person. The children should be prevented from the drugs. So two things we are planning. One is to say no to drugs and planting trees and encouraging the football. It's 16 teams we are conducting, and it's a 5 days event. In this event, we are also we are having a live painting, arranging live painting, legacy of Goa, and beauty of nature of Goa, and football of Goa. 50 painters across India, renowned painters, big painters. Their painting, live painting will be conducted for 3 days, and again the Goan music and Goan dance will be. We are organizing before and after the matches. So we are having 1 lakh rupees as a prize amount for first, 50,000 for second, 30,000 for the third, and 10,000 for the fourth. We are giving medals for all the players. More than 160 players are there. We are giving a free jersey and kits and everything. And even we are not taking any fees from the clubs to join for participating in this program. So completely free, and we are giving good kits for the players, bags and everything. And we are planning to conduct some more this kind of leagues in Goa.
Thank you, Mr. Murthy, and welcome to Goa. When we heard about it, they are planning to Monsoon League. We say we can associate with them because they are doing a lot of things in Spain, then all Latin countries of America, and when they approach us, our secretary, they want to do something for Goa, and it is related to environment. So our hearts goes always to environment and keep football alive. And with cultural, other people, it will be live internationally. These matches will be live internationally, and everyone will look. And as this is like a grassroots, we always focus, GFA focus last our 3 years, we focus to develop youth league like under 13, under 15, under 17, 20. So this is something like a fast game we are planning, and people should come to watch and enjoy this young talent of Goa and India.
Absolutely. And we get a very good support from the GFA and the Honorable Secretary Allergy, having a vast experience, international experience, and really admire, appreciate how the system is running, and the board members and Vice President and our Honorable President has given a full scope of support. The Dular Stadium is international standard stadium. It was international standard. It was renewed. It was one of the best stadium we ever seen in the South India. It's a good stadium. So I request all the media people. Every media person is a football player. I think so. Every Goan is a football player. I request all the media team has to publish this matter very seriously, take in a very priority, giving a so priority for this particular thing. Every football lover should come to enjoy this football event. This is the main motto. Actually, there are 186 clubs are registered with GFA, Goa Football Association. I will request all the school children and all the football players, all the clubs, emerging clubs, new clubs, and what are the supports we can able to collaborate with the GFA. We are ready to collaborate with GFA, and we want to take this football to next level. In Africa, now the football is becoming a livelihood. Every player, they are earning, for a small time of players are also earning 25 to 30 lakh rupees. Previously it was like that, due to some reasons it's cut down. Now we are planning Indian have skills, African have power and talent. The skill is more is important than the power and talent. So now we are planning to do some more subjects and projects with the GFA to develop and to make boom of the global football history.
See, one more thing is recently we concluded Dream 11. With Dream 11, we have booked 400 rooms in South Goa hotels. So it is for 20 days, it is a big boost to the Goan economy in tourism sector. 400 rooms for 20 days is the highest, I believe, like no any organization have kept apart from the government program. So with support of our Honorable Chief Minister, our Sports Minister, and the entire team of the Tourism Department, we are trying to showcase this tournament in Monsoon. So whatever possible rooms we can book and give some economic support to our Goan state.
The entry for this will be free. As you know, the participating teams also, there is no charges. It's free of cost, and like he had said, medals will be given to all the participating players. Winners 1 lakh trophy medal, runners up 50 trophy medal, third place 25,000 trophy medal, and fourth place also 10,000 trophy medal. And there will be a lot of surprises, gifts, all the people will come in, and be a lot of entertainment. So see that everybody makes it a point to at least visit a place once in one of the 4 days.
Which are the teams? Is it
All Goan clubs.
Most of the Goa Professional League teams have participated, and then we 16 teams. So the teams are not ready. We have taken the first division team.
how many teams are
16 total. Till now 12, but we are aiming for 16. 4 more.
You said to me 3 span curriculum. So it is overall goals
And every goal 100 rupees.
Every goal.
for every goal 100
100
Yeah.
rupees.
It is a good initiative, like to support our.
And
Very
the two with the children's, school children's,
and that trees will be planted in Goa or somewhere.
only in Goa. Only
where
in Goa.
have you identified places?
No, actually we are looking for the places. We are engaging the school children. We want to engage the school children. Our own main concept is every school children has to plant one tree. This is the concept. Every student have the opportunity to plant a tree. So how they grow the tree, how the tree grows, they will also grow like that. So this is the motivations we want to give to the Goan children. Already Goa is a very good green country. We should be more greenery. A lot of trees were cut due to this road and everything. But the infrastructure in Goa has a very good infrastructure. This Goa Monsoon Football Premier League is an IPL for Goa. It will be like IPL. So people has to come down and see the skills of this Goan club people. We want to encourage the football. We request all the media people to promote this Goa Football Monsoon Premium League in a bigger way, and it is a part of your system. Kindly, we request everyone, the media to kindly support us. And it is supported by the Goa Tourism Development Corporation and Narcotics Department and Environmental and Forest Department. Honorable Mr. Altaf Jagir.
Yeah, I'm Altaf Jagir, the Executive Director of this play. So now I really appreciate the efforts of GFA, who have built an infrastructure and an ecosystem for the people of Goa for football. And we take our initiative to build further to national and international standards. We can intervene our subjects here where football can be taken forward to international levels. I really thank and appreciate GFA officials here to give us an opportunity to grow further with football as a subject. And we have so many add-ons, like we are putting up art and culture here with the football, then environmental reforms, and then we are even initiating a new thing for no drugs say with the Department of Narcotics. We have already had a meeting with the officials yesterday and they are okay with that. And we'll see further how best we can reform football with association of GFA. Thank you.
And we are requesting Honorable CM to be part of we are inviting Honorable CM and Sports Minister and all the ministers and MLAs of MPs of Goa to encourage the football and the youngsters of the next generation, those who are lovers of football. So every politicians has to come forward to increase the system.
And without your support, you print media and electronic media always supported GFA and Goan football. Keep your faith on us and support us.